Let's look at these last two exponential equations. Okay, so in this, we're going to actually, I want to do 49 first. Okay, so we'll just do 49 first. Again, this part of the expression wants to be simplified. What do we have? We have 2 to the power x squared plus 1 over 2 to the power x minus 1. Well, that means it's division, which is subtraction. So x squared plus 1 minus the power of x minus 1. And 16, of course, is 2 to the 4th. So, you know, in keeping with what we were doing previously, once we have the bases equated, we can easily equate the exponents. So now let's take care of this. We get, we're going to simplify this exponent over here, which will give us x squared, minus 1x, okay, plus 1 minus 1, so it's plus 2. Is equal to x, right? Okay, and that's 2 to that power, but again, since the bases are equal, we can now equate the exponents, okay? So, with that being done, all right, let's see what happens, all right? Let's set this equal to 0, subtract x, we get x squared minus 1x, which is minus 2x. Oh, you know, here's the problem. That this is not the power of x. It's been confusing myself. It's the power of 4. So there we go. Makes it a little simpler. Now you get x squared minus 1x minus 2, right? Is equal to 0. Okay, so now we it's equal to 0. So now we can come. So it seems like I lost my pen. Let's get that pen back. Okay, it's equal to 0. And now this looks like it'll factor x minus 2, x plus 1, which gives us x equals 2 or x equals negative 1. Do we have a problem with either one of them? I hope not. I don't see any problem with either one of them, I don't believe. Okay, you could check that. Here we go. Number 47 is quadratic. What you want to do is you want to identify that 3 to the x and 3 to the 2x are squares of each other. So in other words, if u is equal to 3 to the x, then u squared is equal to 3 to the x squared, which of course is 3 to the 2x, okay? So now my expression is nothing more than, okay, 3 to the 2x, which is u squared, minus 7u minus 18 is equal to 0, okay? And that's certainly factorable. What, u minus 9, u plus 2 equals 0, okay? And that is going to give us u equaling 9 and u equaling negative 2, but u was 3 to the x, which can equal 9. 3 to the x cannot equal negative 2 because, you know, as we saw, okay, exploring our exponential functions, the domain of the range for an exponential function is always positive. The graph of 3 to the x looks like this. Here's negative 2. Never the 2 will meet, so therefore this offers no solution. 9 is, of course, 3 squared. 3 to the x equaling 3 squared implies x equals 2. There we are. Okay, that was not that problematic. I think there's one more that might be worth looking at, okay? But that should keep you busy for a while. Just, okay, go through the worksheet, do what you can on them. Any that you can't figure out, okay, bring to my attention, and hopefully we can help you with those, okay? So that's it for this show.